Everybody, it's me, Miss You, and we're now going to work on our cylindrical mate. We are going to start off with a hole. So we're going to make, I'm going to go to my top view. I'm going to go to sketch. I'm going to go to center point rectangle, and you guys might already have this. And I'm just going to do you might have done this with cylindrical mate, but this with slider mate, but this is cylindrical mate and it uses the same tools. So this is going to be 3 by 2, check. I'm going to select it. I'm going to extrude it. I'm going to extrude it by 1. Now I'm going to create a circle. I'm going to go sketch, center hole. I'm going to dimension it to 1. Okay. And check. Now I'm going to select it and extrude it. Whoops. Select it and extrude it. And I'm going to go through. I'm going to go check. That did not work. Let me see. And because I did add, now I'm going to do remove. I have to actually delete the extrude. So I'm going to right click, delete, and redo it. Somehow it doesn't allow you to change from add to remove. Remove, through all, done. Okay, and now I'm going to do my next part. My next part is a peg with a line through it. So I'm going to go plus, create part studio. I'm going to go top view. I'm going to go sketch, center point. I'm going to dimension my circle to be 1. It's the same size. Of course, we have tolerances, but we're not going to manufacture it. I'm going to go check. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to extrude it. I'm going to go 3 inches. Check. There, this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to go top view again, and I'm going to select the top view. I'm going to sketch on top of it. I'm going to do a center point rectangle. And as long as you get yours to look something like that, this all we are is demonstrating. I'm just selecting whatever I drew. All we're doing is demonstrating cylindrical mate. Okay. And now I'm going to go check. I'm going to highlight it. And I'm going to extrude it. I'm going to go remove. 1 inch is perfect. Check. And now let's take a look at it. My peg is done. The next thing we're going to do is we're now going to go to the assembly. We're going to insert the 2 pieces. So I'm selecting it, inserting it, selecting it, inserting it. Okay. And I am ready to assemble. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go along the top. First, I want to fix. Let's fix this. Let's fix the whole piece, the piece that has the hole. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go fix so it does not move. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to cylindrical mate, which is right here, cylindrical mate. And I'm going to select the hole. And I'm going to try to get, you see that little piece? I'm going to try to get it down below because that's where I want it to be. But I think it would still work if you did not. Okay. Let me go to top view. Maybe it's a little easier. Okay, and now I want to go to the bottom of my piece. And let's see if it gets together. There's one. And now let me get to the top. Here's the other piece, and let's see if it works. Okay, let me go back. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to go isometric view again. Okay, I'm going to go to Cylindrical Mate. And there we go. And now I'm going to go to the bottom of the peg. I'm going to select it. I'm going to go check. And now it works. Okay. I'm going to X out of the other one since we're just doing one. Goes up and down, and it turns. Okay. If you want, you could put down some limits. I'm going to go limits. And I think I want my limits just to be start at 0. And I'm just going to go to 3 or 2.5. And because it could spin whatever I want, but we don't really need it going up in the air. Spinning, going up and down. But it will never be separated.